Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Puja Islami Putri with name 220290AK. I'm from the International Class Mathematics Education Study Program. In this video, I will explain a mathematics learning media that I have made and named Probability Board for my final project in the course Media Mathematics Instruction. The media that I made was sourced from several videos that I found, and then I create my own, and I put this source in the description of my video. Furthermore, I have made a video explaining how to use the media, so happy watching! Okay, here I make the media with the name Probability Board. The purpose of Probability Board is to help students to understand how to solve problems about probability of tossing a die twice, tossing a coin twice, and tossing a coin and a die. This material is studied in 8th grade second semester. The component of Probability Board are, here there are the number will be put in the answer, and then the table of tossing a die twice, the table of tossing a coin twice, and the table of tossing a coin and a die. And the formula of probability is the probability of A is equal to the number of A over the number of sample space. Okay, for example, I will take the questions on the questions box. The first example is, a die is tossed twice. Determine the probability that the die appear with sum less than 5. Okay, here we ask to determine the probability that the die appear with sum less than 5. To determine, we can add the number that appears on the first tossing a die with the number that appears on the second tossing a die and with sum less than 5. Okay, first we will try with 1, 1. If we add 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and 2 is less than 5, so 1, 1 is the element of A, so we put it here. And then we will try with 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 is less than 5, so 1, 2 is element of A. And we try with 1, 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and 4 is less than 5, so 1, 3 is element of A. Next, 1, 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. It's not less than 5, so 1, 4 is not element of A. If 1, 4 is not element of A, it of course 1, 5 and 1, 6 also are not element of A. And next we will try with 2, 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 3 is less than 5, so 2, 1 is element of A. And we try with 2, 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 is less than 5, so 2, 2 is element of A. And then we try with 2, 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, not less than 5, so 2, 3 is not element of A. If 2, 3 is not element of A, it of course 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6 are also not element of A. And then we try with 3, 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 4 is less than 5, so 3, 1 is element of A. And then we try with 3, 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and not less than 5, so 3, 2 is not element of A. If 3, 2 is not element of A, it of course 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6 and so on is not less than 5 and not element of A. And here we got the element of A. We count count the number of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of A is 6. So let's take the number 6 and put it here. The number of A is 6, and the number of sample space of tossing a die twice is 36. And we got the probability of A is 6 over 36. 6 over 36 we can simplify. So here I prepare if the answer can be simplified. The simple form of 6 over 36 is 1 over 6. So we got the probability of A is 1 over 6. Okay, we try with the next example. Let a coin be tossing twice. If A is a 2-hit appears, what is the probability of A? Okay, here we have to determine of tossing a coin twice. So we move to the second table, and we have to determine if 2-head appears. If we tossing coin twice, 2-head appears is head, head, only head, head. So we take head, head and put it in element of A, and the element of A it's only head, head. So the number of A is 1. We put it here, and the sample space of tossing coin twice is 4. So we got the probability of A is 1 over 4. And the last example, I will take the question in the questions box. Let a coin and a die be tossed. Determine the probability a prime number appear. And the last question, we will move to tossing a coin and a die. And here we ask to determine the probability if prime number appear. We know the prime number is 2, 3, and 5. So here we can take 8, 2, and we put in element of A, and then 8, 3, 8, 5, tail, 2, tail, 3, and tail, 5. And here we got the element of A. We count the number of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of A is 6. We put it here. And the sample space, if we tossing a coin and a die, is 12. So we got the probability of A is 6 over 12. 6 over 12 we can simplify. The simple form of 6 over 12 is is 1 over 2. So we got the probability of A is 1 over 2.
So that's how I use the learning media that I make. Hope it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.